Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valério. I'm Valério and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. WordPress 5.7 Beta 1 is now available for testing. Still in the development phase, we don't recommend running this version on a production site. However, we had a look at the beta version to see what will be the next new features of the next version. Migrating from HTTP to HTTPS will be much easier. WordPress will automatically make HTTPS requests if your server supports it. URLs in the database are automatically replaced when the site and WordPress address are both using HTTPS. New improvements on the block editor were added, including drag-and-drop blocks, full height alignments, and enhancements in reusable and button blocks. Stay tuned for more news about WordPress. We release 1-minute videos every week, so make sure you subscribe.